I'm criminal defense attorney Neil Shouse. I get a lot of questions about California Vehicle Code 23247E or 23247E VC for short. This is the section that addresses ignition interlock device violations. And specifically, this section applies when you have a restricted license because of a DUI and the court orders you to install an interlock device as a condition of driving, but you drive a vehicle without one. This could be a situation where you never installed the interlock device to begin with. Or it could be a situation where you did have the device installed, but then you tampered with it and removed it without permission. If you pick up an interlock violation and get convicted under 23247 EVC, it is a misdemeanor, a crime in itself. You could face probation, fines, and up to 6 months in county jail. Moreover, the DMV will likely suspend your driver's license altogether, and the court in your DUI case will likely impose a probation violation. So it's something that the courts and the DMV take very seriously. That said, we've also seen many situations where innocent people have been wrongly accused of this offense. It may have been a situation where the device was defectively installed and came loose by itself. You may have been driving only because of an emergency situation. You may have honestly believed that the order to keep the interlock device had expired, or the police may have violated your rights and pulled you over without probable cause. If you've been wrongly cited for Vehicle Code 23247 EVC, we invite you to contact us here at the Shouse Law Group. We may be able to get the charges reduced or dismissed.